to go to Tesco's to get some pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, hazelnuts, walnuts, 5 eggs, oil, salt, and we're going to use those to make Stone Age bread. In the Stone Age times, we wouldn't have been able to go to the supermarket. Be careful with this. Why do I have to hold this? Right, we're ready to do this. We've lined a baking tray. This is what we're going to put our bread in. We're going to grind the nuts to make flour with this pestle and mortar. I find this really hard, and I think it would be even harder in the Stone Age. This will take me millions of years to grind. I think we might have to cheat a little. They definitely didn't have electricity in the Stone Age. It looks way more like flour than it used to. That would have took me ages. This looks a bit like rice and mashed potato mixed with something green inside. We're gonna add some 5 eggs and then add the oil, salt, then whisk it all together. Last one now. Okay, I'm holding a spoon. Looks like a weird floating marshmallow. In the Stone Age, people didn't have metal. They would have had a stone bowl. Right, it's time to cook it. We set the oven temperature to 160 degrees and we put a timer for 1 hour. We had to amuse ourselves whilst the bread was cooking. It's ready and I'm so excited. It smells really nice. I am going to try some of this bread now. What does the inside look like? It looks like peanuts. This looks really, really good. Do you want to try some, Caspian? Yeah. Do you want to try some? Eat it. It goes in the mouth. It goes in the mouth.
Oh, careful.
He likes it. It does not taste like normal bread. It tastes more like nuts. Now it is really easy to cook this bread, but then in the Stone Age it would have been very hard because you had to light a fire. If I was in the Stone Age, I would have liked this bread if it had butter.